Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Access Tech. In this new video, I will show you how to change the list description in Google Maps. This is very easy and simple. Now let's start. First, open Google Maps on your phone. Then tap on U button to find the list. See here, all of your list is here. Now we will change the description of this list. For this, tap on this button, then tap on edit list. See here, this is the description. Now type a new description here. After typing your description, now tap on save. See here, new description is saved. This is new description. This is example description I type here. You need to type your description here. That's it. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos. Thank you.